Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're talking about 5.5. Example 1. 5.5 is talking about roots and zeros. Remember, roots and zeros are both just where the graph crosses the x-intercept, right? So today we're going to be solve x to the fourth plus 49x squared is equal to 0. And we need to state the number and types of roots. The number, like 4, 5, 6, 7, how many times will it cross? And if it's imaginary or a real number. This example has imaginary or complex numbers. So our original equation is x to the fourth plus 49x squared is equal to 0. What we want to do is we're going to factor out an x squared from both of these because that's the greatest common factor, right? So we factor out an x squared, and we're going to set both of these terms equal to 0, meaning we're going to take this x squared and set it equal to 0. And we're going to take the x squared plus 49 and set it equal to 0. Now, I don't know where my drawing is going. Nope. X squared is equal to 0. Take the square root of that. X is equal to 0. Boom. This one is done. For the other one, the x squared plus 49 is equal to 0. We want to subtract 49 from both sides. Take the square root. Right? The square root of 49 is 7. But since there's a negative right here, it's I. And of course, we get plus or minus. So if whatever the leading degree is, so in this case it's 4, that's how many zeros there are going to be, or roots. And they're going to be in the complex numbers because we got that plus and minus I situation going on. It says because x squared is a factor, x equals 0 is a root with multiplicity 2. You can't have plus or minus 0. Right? It doesn't make, like, if you add 0 or subtract 0, it's the same. So that's why the multiplicity there is 2, or they call it double root. I'll just say multiplicity 2. We can check our answer. This is a parabola shape. It's just a little steeper, and it has one real solution at 0. But it is a double root there, so that is that. Oh, here's a common error. You don't want to take the square root of everything. You need to factor first. So make sure you guys are doing that. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.